Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, this is called Palacsinta. It's a rolled pancake or crepes from Hungary. Usually it's filled with jam or sweetened cocoa powder or chocolate powder, chocolate milk powder, or whatever you like. In Indonesia, we have similar cake or snacks. It's called Dadar Gulung, although the difference is that we use coconut milk instead milk, regular milk, but sometimes some Indonesians would use regular milk instead coconut milk. But anyways, today's is Palacsinta from Hungary, and I kind of roll them the way Dadar Gulung would. Like in Hungary, they would just roll it as is, but I kind of roll it into kind of bite size. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So crack three whole eggs into a bowl and then add in half cup of milk. We're just gonna mix it or whisk it until completely combined like this. Now whisk in half tablespoon of vanilla essence or extract. This is Madagascar vanilla. Oh, sorry, Mexican blend vanilla. Now we're gonna whisk in 2 cups of flour, a little at a time, with 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar. It's gonna be a thick batter. Also add a pinch of salt, a fine sea salt. Now once the batter is thick, becoming lump like this, add in 2 cups of milk. Just keep stirring or mixing until completely combined. Now mix in about 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. You can use any other cooking oil, vegetable oil. Just mix it again. That's 3 tablespoons. Now pour in half cup of hot water and mix it again. And then we're gonna rest the batter for 15 minutes at least. Or you can leave it rest for a half hour, but I usually just rest it for 15 minutes. Then it's gonna be ready to be used to make the skin. Pour a scoop or a spoon of batter and then just roll it around the pan, roll the pan around until it creates something like this. Now you want to cover it a bit, less than a minute. Then take off the lid. When the center is still somewhat wet but the edges getting crisp, that's when you flip the crepe. Now that the skins are ready, again you just top it with whatever you want, jam or chocolate spread or sweetened cocoa powder, and then roll it and ready to be served. So these are what the kids like, which is blackberry jam, and then fig jam, no, gooseberry jam, and then strawberry jam. These are from Indonesia, which are egg custard jam, fig jam with walnut, and also chocolate powder.
There's water in here. There's water refill.